In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make logo bigger in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. From the menu on the left, open Online Store, then go to Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and open its editor by choosing Customize or Edit Theme. This takes you into the live theme editor, where you can change how your storefront looks and immediately preview the results. Inside the editor, open your theme settings. Look for the section labeled Logo. That's where Shopify centralizes the options for your store's brand mark. Click Select to choose the logo file you want to use from your library, then confirm by clicking Done. You should now see your logo appear in the header preview. Next, let's make it bigger. In the same logo settings, find the control called Logo Width or Max Width. Many themes show a slider, and there's often a box where you can type an exact number. Drag the slider to the right to increase the size, or click into the field and enter a larger pixel value for precise control. As you adjust, watch the live preview to make sure the header layout still looks balanced, and that your navigation and icons don't wrap or overlap. A quick tip. Most stores land in the 150 to 250 pixel range for desktop logos, but the best size depends on your font sizes and header height. If your theme offers separate settings for mobile, set a slightly smaller width there so the logo doesn't crowd the menu button. If you notice blurriness when you scale up, swap in a higher resolution logo or an SVG version so it stays crisp. If your theme has a maximum header height, keep the logo size within that limit to avoid pushing content down. Use the desktop and mobile preview toggles at the top of the editor to compare how the new size behaves across breakpoints. If the slider feels too sensitive, click the number field and use your keyboard arrows for 1 pixel adjustments. And don't worry, nothing goes live until you hit Save, so you can experiment safely. When you're happy with the size, click Save in the editor to publish the change to your storefront. Give your site a quick refresh on desktop and on your phone to confirm everything looks clean and readable. If something feels tight, nudge the width down a bit and save again. That's it. You navigated to Themes, opened the editor, selected your logo, increased its width using the logo settings, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sharp